guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. As what I mentioned in my last video, in this video, we're gonna talk about my black bag collections. So I think my love towards black bags has been increased throughout the past few years. I gradually realized that I actually have quite some bags that are in black colors. I think black is definitely a great color, for sure. It is a very versatile color. It is definitely suitable for a formal or office occasion, but it is also good if you just want to wear a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt. And if you're thinking of starting your luxury bag collection, I think starting with black color is a good option as well. Again, as what I said, it's a very versatile color. In the bags that I'm gonna talk about today, some of them are good options for a first luxury handbag. So I guess you can take my feedbacks, my experience as a reference. Now, without further ado, let's grab your cup of coffee. I have mine right over here and let's get started. So the first handbag, obviously, it is gonna be my Chanel classic wallet on chain. So this handbag is my ultimate love. I think I've already talked too much about this bag, so I won't really go into a lot of details today in this video. And I will put a link up here for the unboxing video I did with this bag. Overall, in short, if you want to get a black color bag with a decent price and a brand's classic style, which also maintains its value, and it's versatile for almost all the occasions you can think of, then this is the bag. And I just checked the retail price of this bag. Right now, the retail price is 25,900 Hong Kong dollars or US dollar 3,299. The price is increasing. It increased again from when I bought it a year ago, which is a 40% increase. And the second handbag is my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I won't spend a lot of time talking about this bag because I did actually a full review of this bag a year ago. I will also put a link up here for a reference. In that video, I talked all the things about this bag, how to match it with different outfits. So I think you guys can find it very informative if you are thinking about getting this bag. In short, I think this bag is a very good option if you are thinking of which bag you should buy for your first luxury handbag. Because first of all, the shape is like a shell shape, which is a very classic bag shape. And second, the epiletter perfectly hides the LV logo, so it's very low profile, very subtle. Like what I mentioned in my full review video of this bag, I don't think it's a good bag for casual wear, but it's definitely a good bag for any formal occasions. And overall, nowadays the crazy price increase in the luxury world hasn't really affected this bag that much. Part of the reason is maybe because it is not as popular as it used to be. So right now the retail price of this bag is Hong Kong dollar 15,700 or US dollar 2,370. The 2,371 is with a canvas strap, and the Hong Kong dollar 15,700 one is the one with the regular crossbody strap. I think this price is definitely still in the range that is easier for everyone to reach as a first luxury handbag. So I would highly recommend to you guys as your first luxury handbag option. The third black bag is a bag that I just did unboxing a couple of weeks ago. It is my YSL Lucent qui accepte shoulder bag. This bag is for sure my favorite right now because I carry it to work, I carry it to parties, I carry it to brunches with girlfriends, I carry it to all occasions. I really like the rectangular shape of this bag. Imagine if it is an oval shape like this at the bottom, you actually can't fit a lot of things in it. The rectangular shape makes sure that the bottom has enough space for you to put your wallet inside, your phone inside, your paper tissues inside. And some people mentioned that the lock is a bit difficult to open, which I don't agree. I think it's okay. It's just like pop out like this and you close it like this. So yeah. And after I use it for I think 3 weeks now, the only thing I find it a bit problematic of this bag is that sometimes if I wear a knitted clothes, this logo in the front, the YSL logo, can be easily tangled with my sweaters. Whenever I wear a knitted clothes, I will need to be extra careful. Other than that, I find this bag to be super chic, super in style, but then the shoulder style is very classic as well. The retail price of this bag is Hong Kong dollars 18,800 or US dollar 2,400. But I do think if you're eyeing this bag, you should for sure check out Farfetch, because Farfetch sometimes has very good price of this bag. This one that I got from Farfetch, I actually got it price was around Hong Kong dollar 13,000, which is a 30% discount from its original retail price. The fourth handbag is also one of my favorites of all time as well. So it is my Tory Burch small Eleanor bag. I know this bag is popular, and actually my video that has the highest viewership of all time is the video of this bag's unboxing that I did 2 years ago. So I know a lot of people love this bag, and after using it for 2 years now, I still love this bag as well. So I especially love the big gold Tory Burch logo in the front. The smaller size makes this logo looks just absolutely gorgeous, and I got it almost right after Tory Burch released this design, and man, I just know that this bag will be popular. Among all the sizes this bag offers, I would definitely recommend the small size because it has the right proportion of the size of the bag and the logo. The regular size of this bag makes the logo looks on the smaller side and just significantly lower down the chic level of this bag. So the retail price of the small Eleanor bag is Hong Kong dollar 6,950 or US dollar 648. So it is for sure on the more expensive side of Tory Burch's handbag. I would recommend you to wait for a discount on Farfetch, Satire or Selfridges, or even wait for a discount from Tory Burch itself. Okay, now the fifth handbag. I've actually never really talked about this handbag on my channel. Somehow after I bought it, the style just sort of lost its popularity. Okay, so what is this bag? It is the Tote Micro De-Styling Bag. Okay, I have to admit, I don't reach for this handbag a lot these days. Somehow I just always tend to go with other handbags when I go out these days. I guess part of the reason is just that this bag is not really in trend and lost its popularity. De-styling bag used to be one of the most iconic tote bag out there. The micro one definitely have its own cuteness to it. And I really like this shining black leather. It makes it a bit more special from the regular black color bags. I think I will try to use it more often, maybe carry it to parties. I don't know. So nowadays, Tote doesn't have this bag on its official website. Maybe you can still find it in Farfetch or some other online platforms. The retail price of this bag, I think, was around Hong Kong dollar 10,000, which is basically US dollar 1,274, around that price. And when I got it, I think 3 years ago, I did manage to get a 50% discount on Farfetch. So I think I got it with the price of around 5,000 Hong Kong dollars. So Farfetch, it is the place, guys. And I have a last black color bag that I want to share with you guys. It is the only tote bag that I have, and it is from Longchamp. It is the Longchamp Roseau bag. So not much to talk about of this bag, to be honest. It is, you know, just a tote bag, big tote bag that can fit into your laptop, your iPad, your documents, whatsoever that you need to carry daily for work. And I did mention in my wishlist video that I'm actually looking to add another tote bag in my collection, because this one, the problem is that it is too heavy, because it's like a full leather tote bag and the leather is it's quite thick. So whenever I want to carry it with other stuff, for example, the laptop, the documents that I was talking about, it will make this bag crazy heavy. And so it's not really a good bag that you want to carry for if you're walking a long distance, or if you're going to for a business meeting, or if you're going for a business trip where you need to carry your laptops everywhere. And yeah, I will let you guys know once I found that perfect tote bag that I want. I will share with you guys then. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you find something interesting in my black color bag collection. And if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more of me talking about luxury and handbags. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!